Princess May Andre Angway with LRN 10367 14,008. Nobilaita T. Balaw, LRN 10489 1435. Christine J. L. Bintong, LRN 10588 1410. Rihanna Iran T. Cardenas with honors, LRN 10365 1413. Dolly May D. Dangalan with honors, LRN 10577 14,004. Carlene Avon J. Danglapin with honors, LRN 10570 14,009. Hirap server, so hindi tayo nasasama sa picture. Rosel G. Galieta with high honors, LRN 10567 14,009. Hello. Mika Bryce D. Valio, LRN 10555 1411. Maria Donakil B. Dangol, LRN 10567 1412. Erica May G. Gisik with honors, with LRN 10569 1420. Lara V. Limbawan with honors, with LRN 10570 1412. Joanna A. Mangawit with honors, with LRN 10570 1413. Trisha Faye G. Mao with LRN 150,515 14,003 with honors, Rihanna Chloe H. Narcisa with LRN 1364 161 399. Melissa V. Paclet with honors with LRN 136394 140168. Crispin B. Paetan with honors with LRN 10570 14. Crystal Faye B. Palacat with LRN 10570 1415. Laika Jane B. Pantico with LRN 10555 1412. Vivian B. Polides with honors LRN 10569 1422. Rian Audrey B. Tolentino with honors with LRN 10570 1417. Darling Grace G. Tumalan with honors with LRN 10570 1418. Darling Grace G. Tumalan. Congratulations to all the graduates and completers. You are now holding the written manifestation of your sacrifices, patience, and hardships. As you are holding now your diploma and certificates of completion. At this point in time, let us proceed now to the presentation and awarding of honors and special awards to our completers. As I call your name, may I request once again our advisors and our guest speaker and our school head to help us award this academic and special awards to our completers. Bagni Charles Andre COVID pandemic period up to this very moment. We would like to congratulate you all for successfully, sa pag-success, sabi ng ating speaker kanina, step by step na pag-success ninyo coming into your completion moment. Balilin Aldrich Troy Detail, congratulatory medal from the Junior High School Department. Bugtong Nigel Ray Maol, congratulatory medal from the Junior High School Department and a certificate of recognition for being one of the few unit meet qualifiers. Wala ba si daddy or si mommy or si papa or si mama? O, nasa elementary sila. Cantoria Steven Dong Dite, achiever. Yung mga achievers po natin, these are the students garnered the average grade of 87 to 89%. And Cantoria Bita is one of them. Academic achiever, a certificate and a congratulatory medal from the Junior High School Department. Sir Gerson. Okay, I may request Sir Gerson to please yes, continue reading. Next we have Celestial Kevin Pilayan, congratulatory medal from the Junior High School Department.
Once again, thank you very much. Next, Sir Yango Glenbert Roldan, congratulatory medal from Junior High School teachers. On deck, Copra Minisis Guli, congratulatory medal from Junior High School teachers. Once again, congratulations. On deck, the Lapus Zoren Carino. She will be receiving certificate and medal, congratulatory medal from Junior High School teachers and conduct awards. He is also a Win Honors student, the Lapus Zoren Carino. On deck, Dangalan Gian Villester, a congratulatory medal from Junior High School teachers and a bronze medalist in Set of the Crown during ISDA. congratulatory medal from junior high school teachers. Bronze medalist in sepak takraw during his down. Congratulations, Dangalan Leho Villa Estero. Another congratulatory medal from junior high school teachers, Hansan Ruban Toto Paulo. On deck, Lawian Railway John Balanse. A congratulatory medal from junior high school teachers. On deck, Lumitin Jerson Miguel. A congratulatory medal from junior high school teachers. On deck, Lorenzo J. Manager. A congratulatory medal from junior high school teachers. Another congratulatory medal from junior high school teachers, Managay Jem Andrew, Ledda. Next in line, Bina Clint Ellie Salamat. Congratulatory medal from junior high school teachers. Next in line, Ethan Christian Allen Manager. Another congratulatory medal from junior high school teachers. Next in line, Palakad Simon Philip. Congratulations, Simon Philip Palakad. He will be receiving a congratulatory medal from junior high school teachers. On deck, Palangag MacArthur Jr. Next in line, Ruby Cyrus Mendoza Pio with honors. He will be receiving a certificate and medal from school, a congratulatory medal from the junior high school teachers.